In New York, I'm in Lee Rock. Yo, welcome back to the channel, man. Today is the lit vlog, because you know the other days were like the travel vlog. Today is the lit vlog. Getting dressed.
Want to see the elephants?
Yeah, we're about to go see some elephants.
I'm too short to record you.
And then we're gonna go to like a beer
Stop
garden,
moving!
I believe. I gotta get dressed, man. And then what else is there?
Why are you so tall?
But then, hold on, let me see that.
Okay.
We gotta go. I mean, look, I'm uploading the second vlog right now. Ooh, new subscriber, lit.
Taking forever. This Wi-Fi is so bad.
Wi-Fi is indeed trash. Everybody's wearing shorts but me because I'm special.
You're not special.
Special Ed. Wow. For the. Wow, you gonna cut my ass on the vlog. That's crazy. Shaking my head. It'd be your own brother. But anyways, we're about to go down, eat some breakfast right now.
Yeah.
I haven't even slept. This is crazy.
I slept 2 hours.
Yeah.
And 19 minutes.
Yeah, that's funny. What happened? Why'd you wake up?
19 minutes on the plane, 2 hours here. My nose was bleeding.
Yo, guys, I'm going to crash, yo. I literally did not sleep at all. Like, throughout the flight, everything came here and I still didn't sleep. But I'm about to give you, look at the fit real quick. Woo, woo. You know what? Take this. Look at this. This is fit for day uno. You know what I'm saying? Look at me. Yo, so me and my brother came up on this spot in the house that's just like all black, yo. I think they like killed somebody or some shit. See. Like, look at this. Everything's just black.
Even with the flashlight, you can't see shit.
Yeah, everything's just black. Look, they got some big ass safes. What they got over there? Like, the gun. Yeah, you know what? I don't want to know. I don't even want to know. I'm just enjoying my stay in Thailand. That's all I'm here for. That's it. So,
after 20 days, you will have to weigh in again.
Oh, for sure, for sure. I'm getting weight, 100%.
Oh, if you want to take photos, you just open it.
Yo, you know what?
Or maybe I open it. Okay.
Oh man, oh man. This is weird. Food just waiting outside. Oh man, the hospitality is. Oh, hey.
His name is Milo. He's 10 years old.
Oh, it's cute.
He's an old.
Oh my god.
Yo, this is literally my favorite Thai dish. Literally.
This is real, yeah.
Yes.
เดี๋ยวหลังจากนั้นเด้อ
The definition
หลังจากนั้นจะพาไปกินอาหารแบบที่มัน
Alright guys, we're leaving the house, man. We're about to go elephant riding, right? Wait, where's the place on?
อยุธยา
Ayutthaya. Wait, we're taking this bus, sorry?
No.
Oh. But yeah, we're about to get on a bus somewhere, go ride some elephants, and then after that, I think we're gonna go to what, the beer garden? Right? Yeah. We got some people out here. Yo guys, really out here in the city right now, bro. Look at this. This shit is dead ass the city. Alright y'all, so we're about to hop in this cab right here. It's gonna be like an hour cab ride, so I'm about to take a nap and shit. But you know, I had to throw on these shades so I can stare at people and not get beat up, you know what I'm saying?
Always used to pull up pop truck at chances. Yeah, growing hard, falling hard like a cancer. Yeah.
Alright y'all, so I just woke up. We just got out of the cab. I honestly have no clue where we are right now, but I know that we just ordered some food and we're about to get on this boat over here. Focus. About to get on this boat over here, eat like food on the boat and stuff like that. So it's gonna be lit. I ordered like some big ass beer, like freaking the size of me. So that's gonna be lit too. But yeah, I'm kind of like out of it right now because I literally just woke up and I haven't slept the entire time. So I just slept right now in the cab. Well, I don't know how to feel right now, but anyway. All right, guys, here we go. Going up. Oh my lord. Oh, there we go, bro. This Cheers.
Thai beer
ตอนเนี่ยที่อยู่กับผมเนี่ยตอนนี้
Yo, we're on a boat right now, man. We about to take off in a bit.
แล้วเก่าสี่
ตะเกียบ
Has some food.
ด้วนกินบ้าผมไม่ของกันนะด้วน
This is it, man. Living the life. Yo, guys, I'm eating right now, and I literally don't understand how anybody's eating right now because we literally just ate like an hour and a half ago. Like, this is ridiculous.
มีหนังสือ
I usually eat a lot, but like I eat like one piece of chicken, and one piece of pork, and I'm done right now. This is it, fellas. Look at this, Wee! What is this? What is this? Wait, what is this for? I actually don't know. That's it. It was made by the Burmese people. This is crazy. Yo guys, literally, I was sleeping on the cab thinking I'm gonna wake up to ride a damn elephant. And now I'm here on a boat.
Yeah.
Eating again. This is ridiculous. Now I'm about to take some pictures. Look at this right here. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, OD fishes. What the hell? Hello. Well, there's like unlimited refills on these beers right now. I swear to God, I drink like 4, I'd walk away, I'd come back, and then it's just full. Rock. How did it in my son? So what are we doing right now? What are we doing right now?
I don't know. We're like on the edge of the boat, sort of.
Huh?
We're like on the edge of the boat, sort of.
How's your time here in Thailand?
Good.
You shouldn't you be interviewing me, you're recording me.
I know. Why are you interviewing me? They can't see me.
So what you trying to say?
I don't know.
What do you want to say? Ask me something. You know what, all I gotta say is Thailand is extremely beautiful. Ever since we got here, we're being treated like kings and queens. It's honestly ridiculous. The hospitality that's being shown. Did you just sneeze?
No.
Bless. But yeah, the hospitality that's being shown towards us is just amazing. I'm just extremely grateful. We're one day in and like, I just don't believe.
Awesome! Awesomeness!
Alright y'all, we just got off the boat. Man, that was great food. That was one of the coolest experiences of my life. Now we're actually gonna go ride the elephants for real. So that's so dope. Yo, so we just got to the elephant place. Look at these big ass elephants, yo. But this is funny. So basically, they're charging them 200 baht because they're not Thai. And they're charging us, Thai people.
I'm half Thai.
What is it, 100
Thai
baht?
and 100 baht.
Yeah. What? Yeah, that's so racist. That's so racist. And how much they charge you? Oh my god, bro. Big ass horse. Yo, this is the first time. Yo, look at his head. Bro, look at. Oh yes. Oh yes, we filming this whole thing, man. This is so lit. Alright, why is that girl? Yo, this girl's on the horse right now and she looks like she's not having fun whatsoever. Her face looks like she's like giving the fuck up the shit.
Stop, Julie! My Julie! Let's go! Stop, phone!
It stinks bad here.
ได้น่าจะ2ไม่เด็กอ๋อนี่3ได้เด็กกับ3ได้ใช่ป่ะเด็กนักเด็ก
Yo, so we're about to get on these horses right now. Oh man. What the hell? That's funny. That's funny. Oh.
ทิเก็ตให้ไปแล้วไงตะกี้จะได้ทำไหม
God. I got. Oh, poor elephant. I have my feet on him. Yo, I'm on the elephant right now. Oh god. Oh man, we're on the elephant right now. This is so funny. Yeah, this is my first time riding an elephant, no lie. I kind of feel bad because I really got my feet like on his back.
Yeah, you have to put your feet over here.
Where? I feel like I'm gonna fall. Yo, look how giant elephants are. Like, I never realized how big they are. What the hell? This is so wavy. Oh man. Bro, we're just walking in the middle of the street, son. Big ass horse. I said horse, that's my neck. Oh my god. Big ass elephant though, like. Oh my god.
When what is some?
Look
When
at
you
this
what is
guy.
อะไร
Bro. This guy is the blackest.
ว่าจังถ้าเป็นยืดซะเนาะเราก็สิไปภูเก็ตเลยนั่นน่ะสั่น
Yo, this is funny. We're just in like a circle right now, trying to take pictures of each other. Yo, this is like a little elephant clusterfuck right now. Like, you just have a bunch of elephants just all together. Holy crap.
Elephant ask for money.
Cooling right now, though. Huh? You gonna give them the money? Oh my god! Oh, another one. Oh my god! Oh! ไหนล่ะมายูรี่เด้เอาให้มายูรี่เด้เอาให้มายูรี่เด้นี่
ขอบคุณการแล้ว
It's so funny. That's so funny. Bro, we just got off the elephant. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I was about to bust my ass. Oh man, yo, they swinging their trunks at me. Ah! Here you go. Oh, shiznit. He's singing to me. Sing it to me. Oh, what is he doing? What's he doing? Why's his tummy going like that?
เอามาต้องให้ข้างล่างเนี่ยบ๊ายบายจัสตินลูกบ๊ายบาย
Yeah, he's been waving. Ah! Yo, he got snot flying everywhere. Oh, this one got horns. I know. This one got horns.
Come here.
Babe, watch his horns.
Yeah.
His horns.
Hey, come here.
Hey, come.
Okay, you stand right there. Like not too close.
Stand right there.
Look, they can't come anymore because of the thing. Right there. ต้องกดหรือเปล่า
No, it's already.
Smile.
Okay, it's already. Yo, you want to give him a kiss?
Kiss.
To go closer.
Oh,
Oh, look at that snot. Bill, go that way. Bill, go that way, yeah.
I'm dead. Put your boy with the camera. Mighty tourist mode. Yo guys, we just got out of there. I'm not even gonna lie. I was kind of scared. Yo, I thought the elephant was about to knock me out.
Me
What about
too.
you?
When I didn't want to go close to it because I thought it was gonna hit my head.
Yo, for real, that elephant he was like his nose.
I had the one with the horn thingies, whatever that is.
The famous one, the movie star one.
Yes.
Yeah. Yo, the one that I was on, right when we were like riding, it was like I don't know, it just felt so scary. I don't know. That was cool though. So we just got to like the beer garden or whatever. It was like an hour and a half something like drive. I was knocked out in the car, so I'm still kind of a little out of it. But it was pretty funny because when you walk in, right, it's like a good 15 people that greet you. It was mad weird. But I didn't get to catch it because I was kind of out of it. But right now we're about to get some beers right now. There's a dope spot here, man. It's huge. This is lit, yo. What is this even?
Come on, Jonathan, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Now give y'all a taste test.
Oh, that's some good shit. But look, they got some music out here. Yo, guys, so growing up, my mom used to listen to this like all day. So every time I hear this, it gives me like the craziest nostalgic feel. I'm tired as hell. Like, I don't know how I'm about to make it to the rest of the night. Bro, the lady with the microphone is the GOAT. I wasn't gonna record this, but she sings in like 10 different languages. Yo, this shit is crazy. Yo, I was mad tired at first until the show started. See, now I'm kind of awake. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but this is my type of show. I high-key got the best view in the house. Like, look what I'm looking at right now. I got a big-ass fucking pillar. What the fuck? Alright, y'all, so we're finally out of that place, man. Well, it's literally right there, but now we're just waiting for the car back to go home because I am so tired, bro. Like, literally on 1 hour of sleep. Like, I can't wait to go home, just go to sleep. And then we gotta wake up at like 7 a.m. So it's ridiculous. Alright, y'all, so this is it, man. I'm freaking tired as hell, yo. I cannot go any longer. I gotta wake up early in the morning tomorrow, like 8 or something like that. It's like, I think it's like 11 something right now. Yeah, this is just, I just need sleep. I'm like mighty jet lagged or something. I don't know what it is, but I don't know why I'm so tired. Well, I mean, I'm tired because I didn't go to sleep, obviously. Yo, I can't even speak. Like, this is how you know I'm tired. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. But, like, if you guys didn't know, this is the room I'm staying in, by the way. This little small-ass room with the clear-ass door. Like, where's the privacy? Like, I can't do anything. But anyways, like, we got these little 2 beds side by side. Like, I'm all lonely and shit in this room. Like, where's my babe? But anyways, I already edited like the freaking whole entire vlog. I just gotta do this little last outro, whatever. So if you guys, you know what? If you enjoyed any part of this vlog, you know, give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, because this is a new channel, because, you know, whatever. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and that's gonna be it, man. I'm gonna pick up the camera up tomorrow as soon as I wake up and start the 3rd day vlog. It's gonna be mighty lit tomorrow because we got more things to do. Every single day is just gonna keep getting better. And with that being said, yo, I'm out, y'all. Peace.